Good morning, all of you. Welcome to the PCTS Higher Secondary School. I am Manjan Khan, chemistry teacher. In the pandemic situation, we have a great initiative by the order of government and also our school. We are always with you. Now, let us study. My specialization in organic chemistry. Now, we should study the important topic or chapter of organic chemistry. Now, start. Let us say organic chemistry. A student have very fear about it, but I am sure about you that in very short time and less span of time, I complete all the topics and very clearly and easily. Now, study about first chapter is alkyl halide. Alkyl halide and aryl halide. Alkyl halide and aryl halide. First, we know what is alkyl halide and what is aryl halide. First, we study about the alkyl halide. Alkyl halide general formula RX. R any alkyl group, X halogen group. You already know what is halogen group. Halogen groups like fluorine, chlorine, bromine. In 11th, you already know when we study about organic alkyl halide. It is a chapter, and for in organic chemistry, we shall study all of the topic. First, method of preparation. Method of preparation, then properties. It is two types. One is physical properties, second is chemical properties. Yeah, no property two types. One is physical properties, second is chemical properties. Now let's start method of preparation directly. Method of preparation of alkyl halide. Here I use a very trick method, that is diagrammatical method, that we can learn every topic in very short time. Now, method of preparation of alkyl halide. First, we know what are the substance we can find alkyl halide. First, from alcohol. First from alcohol. Now I draw a diagram that when alcohol reacts with certain substance and water form. PCl3, PCl5, SOCl2, HX in presence of ZnCl2. That is not memorizing process. It is a conceptual process, that how can we find alkyl halide from what? Alcohol. When alcohol reacts with phosphorus halide, that is like phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride, thionyl chloride, and hydrogen halide. Now, when alcohol reacts with PCl3, phosphorus trichloride, then Now it's very clear that now we learn that from alcohol. I cannot explain because I already told you in class 11 how to explain a chemical reaction from alcohol. When alcohol reacts with phosphorus trichloride, then alkyl halide is formed along with phosphorus acid. And when alcohol reacts with phosphorus pentachloride, then alkyl halide is formed along with phosphoryl chloride and HCl. When alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride, then alkyl halide is formed along with sulfur dioxide and HCl. When alcohol reacts with hydrogen halide in presence of ZnCl2, then alkyl halide is formed along with H2. So it is very clear that we must remember the source where alkyl halide is formed. It is very clear. And again, another, you already know that here R equal to any alkyl group. R equal to any alkyl group, X is any halide group. You can know it. In the point of view of examination, here the organic chemistry, certain points should be known, that is conversion and identify ABCD like question. When question arises in next topic, we can discuss what the question arises in council exam. That one thing I told you, conversion, like convert ethyl alcohol to ethyl chloride, certain like question. We can discuss later. Now we first complete the method of preparation of alcohol. One, you complete from alcohol. Secondly, I can write this. Secondly, from hydrocarbon. From hydrocarbon. I can sure that I teach you in diagrammatical method that you can memorize easy. That from hydrocarbon, first reaction with alkane. Second, reaction with alkene. First from hydrocarbon, that is reaction with alkane. Second is reaction with alkene. Now I can write it diagrammatically. That from alkane, RH, you already know RH is alkane system. When reacts with halogen, that is called halogenation reaction. When alkane reacts with halogen in presence of sunlight, then a group of alkyl halide is formed. Here I write here the general form. You can know already R equal to any alkyl group, X is equal to halide. Here is called halogenation reaction. That is very interesting that you write R equal to any alkyl group, that is CH3 methyl group, and A plus I taking here X equal to Cl2 in presence of sunlight, then a group of alkyl halide are formed, that is CH3Cl plus HCl, CH2, Cl2, CH, Cl3, CCl4. It is a very much interesting reaction and most important reaction in the organic chemistry. This halogenation reaction, and when we taken with chlorine, it is called chlorination reaction. It undergoes free radical mechanism. It undergoes free radical mechanism. I already told you the problematic part. I say in another part. From hydrocarbon, from alkane, where alkane reacts with halogen in presence of sunlight. You already always remember that H nu is carried out by free radical mechanism. When alkane reacts with halogen in presence of sunlight, then alkyl halide will form along with hydrogen halide. Already know? Then second, from alkene. Second is from alkene. From alkene. Alkene like alkene reacts with halogen in presence of carbon tetrachloride. Then vicinal dihalide is formed. From alkene, where alkene reacts with halogen in presence of carbon tetrachloride, then vicinal dihalide is formed. I have used bond line notation, you already know, that is XSH. I no need to write here, we can write that is an alkene system. It is a symmetrical alkene. It is a symmetrical alkene. You already know what is symmetrical. What is symmetrical? The alkene across a double bond, same number of carbon atom is called symmetrical alkene. Second one is unsymmetrical alkene. How can you prepare alkyl halide from unsymmetrical alkene? And certainly there is vicinal dihalide. What is vicinal dihalide? Then same functional group or same group attached to the argent side carbon is called vicinal dihalide. Another term is appear here. What is geminal dihalide? Geminal, that is same group attached to the same carbon atom, that is called geminal. Complete. Then again I say that from alkene, for symmetrical alkene, where alkene reacts with halogen in presence of CCl4, then vicinal dihalide is formed. Another one is when symmetrical alkene added with hydrogen halide. When symmetrical alkene is added with hydrogen halide, then alkyl halide is formed. Then alkyl halide is formed. Right? When symmetrical alkene added with hydrogen halide, then alkyl halide is formed. Then you can put here X equal to any halogen group. Right? Again I said that from alkene, for symmetrical alkene, when alkene reacts with halogen in presence of carbon tetrachloride, then vicinal dihalide is formed. When symmetrical alkene reacts with or added with hydrogen halide, then alkyl halide is formed. Okay? Then proceed to the next step. For unsymmetrical alkene, I can write here taking an example. For unsymmetrical alkene. For unsymmetrical alkene, taking which an example, it is unsymmetrical alkene because the number of carbon atom across the double bond is different. Here number of carbon atom is 2, here number of carbon atom is 1. HCl, hydrogen halide, HCl, then CH3, CH, Cl, CH3. It is called Markovnikov cell. It undergoes Markovnikov cell. Markovnikov cell. For symmetrical alkene, It is a symmetrical alkene when unsymmetrical alkene when reacts with hydrogen chloride, then alkyl halide is formed. It undergo Markovnikov. Markovnikov is there. When unsymmetrical alkene added with a hydrogen halide, the negative part of the addendum means which is added. The delta plus, delta minus. The negative part of the addendum, that is delta minus, attached to the carbon atom which has a less number of hydrogen atom across the double bond. Again I can say Markovnikov rule. According to this rule, when unsymmetrical alkene added with a hydrogen halide, the negative part of the addendum means which is added. The negative part has Cl minus, the negative part of the addendum goes to the carbon atom across a double bond which has a less number of hydrogen atom. That is, here hydrogen atom with 1 and hydrogen atom with 2. Again I say that the probability part we can discuss in the next part. It is complete. Another important method of preparation of alkyl halide. They are very much times asking in the NEET and JEE, like halogen exchange reaction. Halogen exchange reaction when alkyl halide reacts with NaI in presence of dry acetone. In presence of dry acetone, then Ri is formed along with NaX. This is called Finkelstein reaction. That is called Finkelstein reaction. Another is AgF, Ag2FT, then RF is formed. There are two important name reaction. That is, one is Finkelstein reaction, another is Schwartz reaction. That is called halogen exchange reaction or halide exchange reaction. Again, I say when alkyl halide reacts with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone, then alkyl iodide is formed. When alkyl halide reacts with silver fluoride, mercurous fluoride, like, then alkyl chloride is formed. It is the method of preparation of alkyl iodide, that is the Finkelstein reaction, and Schwartz reaction is there, the method of preparation of alkyl chloride. Okay. Next, one important name reaction is, it is for council syllabus is complete. Then next week, one important name reaction is Borodine Hunsidecker. Borodine Hunsidecker reaction. I taking an example, CH3COOAD plus Br2 plus in presence of CCl4, then CH3Br plus AgBr plus CO2. This is called Borodine Hunsidecker reaction. When silver salt of fatty acid undergoes bromination in presence of carbon tetrachloride, then alkyl bromide is formed. Here methyl bromide is formed. This also undergoes free radical mechanism. And another important is that it is only prepared for method of preparation of alkyl bromide. That's all. Here all the method of preparation of alkyl halide. Thank you.